Hello everyone, REVAK Tech here, and today I'm going to be unboxing a brand new iPod Touch 5th generation, hopefully running iOS 6. So without further ado, let's begin with this. I recently got this iPod Touch on eBay, supposedly brand new. It's a yellow 32 gig model. It was a lot cheaper than a brand new iPod Touch 7, so I decided to get this device. I already have an iOS 6 iPod Touch 5, but it's a space gray 32 gig model. This one is a yellow 32 gig model. Hopefully this one will be good, but enough talking, let me get into this. So here is the iPod. It looks new. I guess we'll break the seal. I broke the seal. Doesn't feel right, but whatever. So let's take the iPod out. Ooh. Designed by Apple in California. There's hello. There's the loop. I've never actually owned that. So cool. Something doesn't feel right about this. Now it's totally flat, so I'm gonna go put this on the charge and see what it's running. So this is the moment of truth. I'm going to plug this into a charger for the first time. This thing is in pristine condition. We're gonna see if it has the iOS 6 charging screen. And it does. I'm gonna let this charge and I'll catch back when this is done charging. A brand new iOS 6 iPod Touch 5th generation. It's crazy. We just set this down. I'll continue opening up this packaging because this is pretty neat. So we got the quick start guide, got Apple stickers, so that's pretty cool. Can't believe this is actually legit. I'm most interested in this thing though, because I've never actually owned a loop before. You know, I've always thought that this was a quite useless feature, but never actually used it before. You just press in this little button, and you just slide the loop in, and you should be good to go there. Still got the nice oleophobic coating on it. I do like this color a lot. I've always kind of wanted this yellow iPod, but I've never actually. We got a lightning cable and standard 3.5mm earpod. So there it is. Definitely gonna immediately jailbreak it and dump its blob. Believe it or not, this iPod's on a special version of iOS 6, I guess. As you can see, it is running iOS 6.0. This is running the original version of iOS 6. This was an amazing deal. Wish I would have gotten 2 actually because of how good the price was. Yeah, I guess that's going to be it for this video. Well, hopefully you do enjoy this video. And if you did, please smack that like button. Follow my Twitter, Instagram, links will be in the description. And as always, this is REVAK Tech, signing out.